Krishna. We, the students of Bhaktivedanta Model School, present to you a small skit as an offering to His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj on his 74th Vyas Puja. Hope it brings pleasure to the heart of dear Gurudev and all the Vaishnavas assembled here today.
Oh my Lord, my Master, I am wandering through this material world as a result of my fruitive activities. Therefore, I simply seek friendship in the association of your pious and enlightened devotees. My attachment to my body, my wife, my children, and my home is continuing by the spell of your external energy. But my Lord, I wish to be attached to them no longer. Let my mind, my consciousness, and everything I have be attached only to you, my Lord, only to you. O Indra, you sinful one, I shall kill you now. Oh Indra, king of the heaven, take up your thunderbolt and come kill your enemy. This is not the time to lament your fate. The thunderbolt you carried to kill me has been empowered by the powers of Lord Krishna and the strength of Dadiji's austerities. Thus, there is no doubt that I shall be killed by the release of your thunderbolt. Rise up, Indra, rise! Come, Indra! Fight, Indra, come fight!
What Sura in the perfectly enlightened state is teaching us. He is simply seeking friendship in the association of devotees.
His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Holiness Jai Pataka Swami Maharaj. His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Holiness Gopal Krishna Consciousness Maharaj.
Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitarana Vidyavadu Shri Radhanath Anandam Diva
His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Holiness Bhakti Charu Swami Maharaj.
Swadana Sarvasnapala Sarvasnapala Shri Krishna Sankirtana
His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Holiness Radha Govind Swami Maharaj.
Shri Krishna Sankirtana Shri Krishna Sankirtana Shri Krishna Sankirtana
His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Holiness Roknath Swami Maharaj. His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Holiness Bhakti Tirth Swami Maharaj.
Bhagavan Babami
His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Holiness Siddhartha Swami Maharaj.
Jadidara Shri Krishna Sankirtana Harina Eva Kevalam Shri Krishna Sankirtana
His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Grace Chananivas Prabhu and His Grace Pankajangli Prabhu.
Shri Krishna Sankirtana Shri Krishna Sankirtana
His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Grace Shyam Sundar Prabhu. His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with Her Grace Malti Mataji, Her Grace Yamuna Mataji and Her Grace Dinatarini Mataji. His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj with His Grace Yaduvar Prabhu.
Hari Nam Eva Kevalam Aram Vijaya Shri Krishna Sankirtana Aram Vijaya Shri Krishna Sankirtana Shri Krishna Sankirtana Hare Krishna Hare Krishna